to take a few minutes and talk about how Groovy came about and why we use it in Grails. After all, Grails runs on the Java virtual machine, so why go to all the trouble of using a different language? Why not just use Java? For sure, Java is one of the most popular programming languages in use today. It's especially popular in environments that require a powerful server architecture servicing hundreds or thousands of users simultaneously over a business network or the web. At the core of Java applications is the Java virtual machine, which can understand Java code and execute it. The real power of Java is that Java virtual machines, or JVMs, exist for almost all of the popular server and personal operating systems. So a compiled Java application can run on pretty much any modern computer regardless of its operating system. Over the years, very robust systems have been developed that allow Java applications to run on large clusters of servers that can balance their load and redirect requests to other machines when problems arise. For developers, thousands of specialized libraries have been written for Java for doing things like math, graphics, and workflow. That's the good news about Java. The bad news is that Java is showing its age. It was first released in 1995, before the Internet became a major platform for applications in business. Since then, many other languages have come along that allow developers to be more productive in creating applications for the web. What was needed was a language that Java developers could learn easily, give them the productivity gains that were being realized in languages such as Ruby and Python, but could take advantage of all the existing Java libraries and run on the robust JVM server architecture. According to Wikipedia and several other authoritative blogs, that's exactly what James Strachan was thinking about in 2003 when he started talking about creating what he called a groovy new language that runs on the Java virtual machine. He and a few others built that language, and not surprisingly, called it Groovy. Groovy is not so much a language on its own as it is an enhancement to Java. Groovy code compiles directly into the Java code that can run on any Java virtual machine. You can talk to Java from Groovy and vice versa. And Groovy can use almost all of the existing Java libraries without any modification. Best of all, Groovy brings all of the productivity gains of modern languages to Java developers. This is why the authors of Grails chose Groovy as the programming language of their platform. It was built from the ground up for web apps and runs on the rock-solid Java server architecture. As I mentioned in the introduction to this course, we are starting from the beginning and won't be making comparisons to Java. So we'll be learning Groovy from the beginning and take all of these great features for granted. To us, it will just be a straightforward way to build business applications for the web. But I think it's important to know where Groovy got its start and what makes it so groovy. So with that, I think we're ready to get started.